So hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can upload your CSV or Excel files into your PHP localhost site and how you can use those tables in your game website. So without further ado, let us get started. So first of all, if you have MySQL 8.0 installed in your system, you have to go to services and then check whether your service corresponding to MySQL is started or not. So for doing that, click on services and search for MySQL 80. So here it is. As you can see, I had already stopped the service, so no need to worry. Now search for XAMPP app. Start the service corresponding to Apache and MySQL and click on admin beside MySQL. After doing that, you can see our localhost /phpMyAdmin site has been opened. In this site, I have already created a database called Game Planet. Inside Game Planet, we have 4 tables: company, games, review, and users. So click on games. In games, we have 5 attributes. As you can see, GID or game ID is our primary key having type int3, gname is having type varchar50, genre varchar60, mode varchar40, platform varchar275. Similarly, company, we have 10 attributes. CID or company ID is our primary key. CNAME or company name is having type varchar57, composer is having type varchar92, artist varchar79, writer varchar71, programmer varchar71, developer varchar84, engine varchar43, director varchar72, and finally GID is having type int3. So now I want to upload my games.csv files into the games table. For doing that, click on games. In games table, for importing, click on import. Choose the files. Choose the CSV files actually, which is of the form CSV MS-DOS. Click on open and click on go. As you can see, import has been successfully finished. Do the same for company. So as you can see, we are finished with uploading both the games and company CSV files into our PHPMyAdmin localhost site. So before starting our website, let me show you where all the website files or the coding files have been stored in our system. It has been stored under C drive under XAMPP folder. Inside XAMPP, we have one folder called htdocs. Inside htdocs, I created a folder named Game Planet, inside which we have all the relevant files, the CSS files, the JPG images, PNG files, and as well as the CSS files. So let us start our game website. For doing that, we have to type localhost /gameplanet /home.php. You have to first of all register as a user. As a new user, you should register first. So click on register and enter your relevant details. Enter your username and password. And click on register. As you can see, registration has been done successfully. And now you should log in. Enter your username and password. And click on login. As you can see, we have been redirected to a welcome page welcoming us and asking if we want to continue with the details before your eyes. So if you want to continue, then click on yes. We have 5 options here. We have game dataset, game planet game selection, game company details, video game standings, and give a game review. For seeing the names of all the games and their game ID, you have to click on game dataset, which is basically a choice before you if you want to see which game you are interested in, or it actually is a list of all the games which we have in our site. And after that, we have game planet game selection, in which you can find about all the details regarding a game of your choice. And after that, we have game company details, in which we get all the company details of a particular game. We can also give a game review based on our opinion after playing any game. And if any user gives a game review, then we have basically 2 options, one upvote and downvote, in which on the basis of which the game standings are being prepared. So click on the game dataset to see what happens, what is displayed. We have game ID and game name. We have a list of 530 games. That's huge. And if you click on game planet game selection, you can enter your favorite game. For instance, I am entering Grand Theft Auto, and you can see which type of information about the game you can see. Suppose I want to know the genre and platform of Grand Theft Auto. So click on it and click submit. So as you can see, all the relevant details are being displayed here. And also I want to see the game company details. So click on game identification number. For Grand Theft Auto, the GID is 1. And as you can see, we again have many choices. Suppose we want to see the company name, composer, artist, writer, programmer, developer, engine, director, whatever you want. Suppose I want to see the name of the programmer of Grand Theft Auto. So click on programmer and click proceed. So the name of the programmer is displayed here. And suppose as a user you have already registered and you want to give a game review. You can either upvote or downvote. Suppose I want to upvote Grand Theft Auto after playing it. I am quite satisfied with it and I want to upvote for it. So enter the game identification number. For Grand Theft Auto, it is 1, and click on upvote and click vote. And after that, after all the users had given their opinions or voting, any user can see what is the standings or rankings of all the games played by the users. So since only one user has upvoted or downvoted or given a review on a single game till now, we can say that we have a list of only one game with one upvote of Grand Theft Auto GTA and 0 downvotes. So basically it is the games are ordered in chronologically on the basis of their upvotes and downvotes. More the upvotes, the more higher the position a game will occupy, and more the downvotes, the game will be degraded or it will go below all the other games. So the game having the highest number of upvotes and the lowest number of downvotes will have a rank 1, and similarly for the lowest game also. So after having seen the main things, let us go about to see the about page. The about page is about Game Planet, where the creators and what is the basic ideology of its foundation. We also have contact page, where you can contact us or contact the users and provide us with your valuable advice for the improvement of this game development site, as well as feel free to contact us anytime. You can ask us about any doubts or queries regarding the games, and that's it for this. This is the ultimate game site named Game Planet. It is a game website. It is the ultimate destination to resolve all your game related queries. So this is it. Thank you.